Hello guys, today we will find a few more cases of duplication that we encounter in our daily lives or businesses, and we will see the method how to tackle them and how to highlight them. In previous video we have understood varieties of methods to handle duplicate cases in certain conditions. That was a basic video. If you have not seen that before, then I highly recommend to go through that once and then come over here. So the first condition that we would be tackling today would be to find duplicates in a range. Uh, in another words, if any value is repeated across columns as well. So we would be considering these cases. So here result is in front of us. Uh, Means neha at yahoo.com is repeated. So all the values which are highlighted in green are repeated value. Second case that we would be covering would be when entire row is duplicated. So here you can see this row of Rajesh Kumar, and this is totally duplicated. So how to handle that? In previous video we had considered a similar case, but here it was on the basis of phone number only. So if the phone number is duplicated, then it will format the entire row. For example, here let's say if I am changing the email ID, it will not do any changes with the conditional formatting. However, our use case for today would be even if we change any of the values in either this cell or this cell or this cell, then this highlighting should occur. It means entire row should match dot by dot with another duplicated rows. So we would be highlighting that case. So let's start over here. So here the formula is written, which I had just to make you guys understand easy. So I'm deleting this first. We would be taking help of countif function. So I'm writing countif, and this would be the range that we would be considering. So I am locking this entire range, and criteria I am putting it as this. So this has given us a count of A3 value, means Rajesh at gmail.com. How many times Rajesh at gmail.com has occurred in this entire data set, A3 to C11 range. Okay. So I am dragging it over here. Okay. So you can see next is 3. It means A4 value, which is neha at yahoo.com. It has occurred 3 times in this entire data range. Now I am dragging it to right. I'm doing control R. Okay. Uh, but you must be knowing that for doing custom formula in conditional formatting, you need to convert it in the format of true and false. So whatever values come as true, conditional formatting is applied over there, and whatever is false is not formatted. So if you want to know more about conditional formatting, you can refer the video. This is popping at top right. Okay. So here we want to highlight all the cells where uh, the occurrence is either 3 or 2, right? So I would be converting 3 and 2 in the true format. So for that, what I am doing, I am putting it greater than 1. Okay. So 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 now we have a table ready, which we can pass this formula into the custom rule in conditional formatting, and wheresoever a true is highlighted, it means those values are duplicated. So here true is highlighted for A4, it means at neha@yahoo.com, so which has occurred multiple times. So you can see it has occurred at neha@yahoo.com here and here as well. So what I'm doing is I am selecting this range, going to format, going to conditional formatting. A3 to C11 range is selecting. I am putting a custom formula, and here I am pasting the formula written over here. You can see now this box is red. It means it is not able to decode what's written inside it. So now it has turned green. It means it is able to process the information in this. So you can see it has highlighted all the duplicate values with true and false. So next, Now go to the second case where we need to find if this entire row is duplicated. So here I am taking help of a helper column. Okay, and what I am doing is I am concatenating all these three values which is occurring in this row. Okay, and now I am dragging it down. So now my problem statement has become to check for duplication in this column only. So now this has converted to a duplication check in a single column, which we already did very comfortably in part 1 of this video. In this case, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. So we will apply the same over here. Now to put it in conditional formatting, I am doing it like this: countif and this is the range. Okay, I'm locking the range, and then this, and I am putting greater than one condition directly over here. So wheresoever it is returning true, it means these values has occurred twice. So true means this Rajesh Kumar, this has occurred. Then again true is returned corresponding to this. Then again true has been returned here, Rakesh Reddy, and another true. So these are duplicated values, right? So here this I manually filled color over here. So I am removing. Now I would be passing this formula in the custom formula section of conditional formatting, but actually it will not give us the intended result. People who have gone through the previous videos should be able to uh, understand it, why it will not give us the intended result, but write that. Okay. So now it is highlighting only the first column values, right? It is not highlighting this entire row. So for that, I need to put it a dollar sign over here. Okay. Uh, Also, one thing I wanted to highlight, please be cautious when you are applying the range and when you are writing the formula. So here it is started with fourth row, and here the conditional formula is also applied with fourth row. So this should match, else let me change it to B3. See what has happened. So everything has shifted to a top because this entire table, true false table, has shifted to top, and hence the conditional formatting is applied. So that is why you need to be a bit cautious when you are applying range and writing the formula. So both should start with the same row. So this is one method. There is another method to solve this case as well. So you can write array formula to club this entire range, then comparing it with each values. So that becomes a little complicated. So I find it helpful with the helper column. So I have suggested that if you want me to cover another method, then please comment on the video. I would be more than happy to make another video on that. So thank you guys. Thank you for staying tuned with SheetMetric. Please do consider subscribing to our channel if our content is helping you to grow. And please like, comment, and share it.